walking with my dad and Uncle George on the shore.
Where are we going, Dad? Over the Indian camp. There's an Indian lady who is sick there. Oh, Dad. Look, Uncle George, you already arrived. Oh, here they are. Let's go.
Welcome! Come inside. How many days has she been trying to have her baby?
2 days.
The room smells very bad. Please get me a bowl of hot water. This lady is going to have a baby, Nick.
I know, Dad.
No, you don't. Listen to me. What she is going through is called being in labor. The baby wants to be born and she wants it to be born. That's why she's screaming.
I see. And Daddy, don't you have something to give her to make her stop screaming?
Sorry, Nick. I don't have any anesthetic here, but her screaming are not important. I just hear them because they are not important. Okay, come, Nick.
Pull back that quilt, will you, George? I'd rather not touch it. Okay. Look, Nick, it's a boy. So how do you like being an intern now?
It's alright.
Now it's done.
I'll just put this in the kitchen.
I'll put peroxide on that, George. Okay. I'll be back in the morning. The nurse should be here by noon. And she'll bring everything we need. That's all for the medical journal, George. You're a great man, alright. Take Nick out of the house. Nick, let's go out of the house. Everyone help! I'm sorry I brought you along, Nick.
You ladies always have a hard time having babies.
No, that was very exceptional.
Why did he kill himself, Daddy?
I think he can stand things, I guess.
Do many men kill themselves?
Not very many.
How about women? Do they kill themselves too?
Hardly ever.
Don't they ever?
Sometimes.
Daddy,
Yes.
where did Uncle George go?
They'll turn up okay.
He's dying hard.
Yeah, it depends.
After that, I knew that I would never die.
The room smells very bad.
Pull back that quilt, will you, George? I'd rather not touch
Quilt.
Yeah! Take Nick out of the house! Everyone